Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your ConvertKit account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download your subscriber email list from ConvertKit? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download your email subscriber list from ConvertKit anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you outgrow certain providers. So maybe you want to download your email list to upload it into your new provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ConvertKit dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ConvertKit account, and this is the dashboard. Now, in order to download your email list from ConvertKit, what you're going to do is click right up here on the top left, the Grow button. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to choose this one here called Subscribers. Okay, so once you do that, you will see all of your subscribers inside of your ConvertKit account. Now, in order to go ahead and download this list, you have to segment it. And how you do that is right here. It says all subscribers. To the right of it, you're going to see these little arrows. Just click on there. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and choose the list that you would like to download. You can choose all subscribers if you wish to do so, or you can filter it out by these. For this video, I'm going to click all subscribers. Okay, so now once you have filtered out the list that you would like to download from ConvertKit, click on this little box next to subscribers. And as you can see, it's going to download all of them. If you only want a few of them, you can uncheck this and then just choose the subscriber contacts that you want to download. So for example, we just have the two. Once you've chosen who you would like to download into your ConvertKit list, go ahead and click on this button here called Bulk Actions. Once you do that, you're going to look towards the bottom and click on this button here called Export. Okay, immediately you're going to see this pop up right here saying that ConvertKit is exporting your list of subscribers, and you're going to receive an email when the export's available. So let me close this out. Okay, so how long it's going to take is really going to depend on how many subscribers you have on your list. For my list, I only have 3 subscribers, so the list actually was emailed really quite quickly. So let me go ahead and jump on over to that email. Okay, so here is the email that I received. It says my export file is ready, and you're going to want to click on this blue button here to download it. Okay, as you can see, it downloaded immediately into a CSV file. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up the file. You can see it includes the data points that I've approved for my ConvertKit account, and it also includes when the contact was created. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download and export your ConvertKit email subscriber list, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.